Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to resolve Trust Wallet transaction pending. So I have made a step-by-step guide tutorial and make sure you follow till the end. First of all, very important, just go and check your internet connection. Yeah, that is very important. You really need to check your network status. Make sure there are no network issue or maintenance ongoing with the blockchain network you are using. Sometimes delays occurs due to the network congestion or maintenance. So just go to and open your Trust Wallet blockchain and you can see it. Verify the transaction status. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the transaction history or activate section. Locate the pending transaction and check its status. If it's still pending, proceed to the next step. Right. So the next step is reconfirm transaction details. Double check the receipt address and the amount you are sending. Ensure they are accurate to avoid any potential issue with the transaction, right? That is very important, guys. And the fourth step is adjust gas fee, which is basically Ethereum transaction. If you're sending an Ethereum based token and the transaction is stuck, you may need to adjust the gas fee. Increase the gas fee can help prioritize your transaction and speed up a transaction confirmation, right? So you have to wait for the confirmation. Sometimes it's take a little bit of time, sometimes it's take a very less time due to upon the gas fee. If you're sending an Ethereum based, then token and the transaction is stuck, you may need to adjust the gas fee. Yeah, that we already discussed. In some cases, pending transactions simply need more time to proceed due to a network congestion. So patient Suzuki, you have to wait and you don't have any other choice. And the last option is actually, your problem should get solved if you just applied all the five steps. But if it doesn't, the last option is you have to contact the customer support. Yeah, you can just go to the website here and you can just go to the bottom, and here you will find the option to stay connected, and you can just get to connect them over any of the social media. So they will just contact you back and they will help you to resolve your issue, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.